Greetings, my dear friends. Welcome to this sharing under the topic Divinity of Christ. Now, Bruce Barton wrote a book by Jesus Christ calling it The Man Nobody Knows. Many claims have been made for and against Jesus Christ. Millions of words have been spoken about him. An almost endless chain of books link his day and his life with ours. Napoleon Bonaparte pointed out that he and Julius Caesar had founded kingdoms upon force which had been destroyed by force. In contrast, he said that Jesus founded a kingdom upon love, and millions of his followers